are the points with 2 to 3 additional points. 1. Aesthetic appeal. A media wall can be a stunning focal point in a room, adding a touch of modernity and sophistication to the space. 2. Customization. Media walls can be tailored to fit any style or theme, allowing homeowners to express their personal taste and creativity. 3. Organization. A well-designed media wall can help keep media devices and cables organized, reducing clutter and creating a more peaceful living environment. 4. Enhanced viewing experience. A media wall can be designed to optimize the viewing experience, with features like soundbars, ambient lighting, and comfortable seating. 5. Increased property value. A beautifully designed media wall can be a selling point for potential buyers, increasing the value of the property. 6. Social hub. A media wall can become a social hub in the home, perfect for hosting movie nights, game nights, or sports events. 7. Flexibility. Media walls can be designed to accommodate different types of media devices, making it easy to upgrade or change technology in the future. 8. Ambiance. A media wall can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxing and unwinding after a long day. 9. Personal expression. A media wall can be a reflection of one's personality and interests, showcasing favorite movies, TV shows, or video games. 10. Technological integration. A media wall can seamlessly integrate technology into the home, making it easy to access and enjoy various forms of entertainment. 11. Memorable experiences. A media wall can help create lasting memories with family and friends, whether it's a movie night, a sports event, or a gaming tournament. These additional points highlight the media wall's role in personal expression, technological integration, and creating memorable experiences.